Imagine this. You're holding a coffee in one hand and trying to type a message on your iPhone with the other. Sounds tricky, right? Luckily, Apple has a solution. The one-handed keyboard feature makes typing with one hand much easier, no matter the screen size. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, find the Settings app and open it. Once inside, scroll down a bit and look for the General section, then tap on it. When you're in General, scroll down again and find the keyboard option. Tap on it. On the keyboard settings page, you'll see a variety of options. The one we need is one-handed keyboard. Tap on it. Here, you can choose which side you want your keyboard to be on, left or right. I'll choose the right side. Now that we've set it up, let's test how it works. Open any app where you can type, like Messages, WhatsApp, or Notes. I'll open Notes. When the keyboard appears, you'll notice that it has shifted to one side, left or right, depending on your selection. Try typing a few words now. You'll see that the keys are closer to your thumb, making one-handed typing much easier. If you ever want to return to the full-width keyboard, just tap the arrow on the opposite side. And that's it. Now you can type quickly and comfortably even when one hand is busy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.